Okay guys, I welcome you once again to S.K.M Media 7. Today we wake up and what we are seeing online is Spain, France and Portugal has been, they have, cyber attack, which these three countries are in, crisis right now as I'm talking to you right now, that the whole country is in, total darkness, that their light, the light that they are using, everything went off. And people were pointing hand at Russia, that the Russia is behind that cyber attack on Portugal, Spain and France, that they are the ones that are doing that. But there's nothing that confirms that it is Russia who is behind that cyber attack. I want you to watch the video that you are seeing on the the screen. This shows that there is a crisis, or there's crisis in Spain, Portugal and France. I don't know what you also think about this particular thing. Drop your comment under the comment section if